Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken pie. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of cooked, shredded chicken, 1 cup of mixed vegetables, and 2 pie crusts. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures your pie bakes evenly and gets that perfect golden crust. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's create that delicious, creamy filling. Melt 1/4 cup of butter in a saucepan, then whisk in 1/4 cup of flour to form a roux. Slowly pour in 1 3/4 cups of chicken broth and 1/2 cup of milk, stirring constantly until it thickens. Add your cooked chicken and vegetables, seasoning with salt and pepper to taste. This rich filling is the heart of your pie. Time to assemble our pie. Carefully place 1 pie crust into a 9-inch pie plate. Pour the warm, creamy chicken and vegetable filling evenly into the bottom crust. Now, gently place the second pie crust over the top, pressing the edges together to seal them. You can crimp them decoratively. Don't forget to cut a few small slits in the top crust. This allows steam to escape during baking. Finally, it's time to bake your masterpiece. Place the pie in your preheated 375 degree Fahrenheit oven for 30 to 35 minutes. Look for a beautiful golden brown crust and a bubbly filling. Once baked, let the pie cool for about 10 minutes before slicing. This resting time helps the filling set. Serve your warm, homemade chicken pie and enjoy this comforting dish.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.